If you want to draw a ton without effort, then this video is for you. And yes, I specifically made this video just for you because you're a special little potato. So feel special because you're special. To explain this strategy, I'm going to use a story that I think everyone can relate to. So imagine you're going about your life, just living life, having good times, having bad times, and along the way, you make a new friend. And this new friend is amazing. The vibes are impeccable, the jokes just flow naturally and they teach you things. Your life is better when you're around them. Days where you see them, you just feel tons of joy. Investing time and energy into this friendship becomes very, very easy. Spending time with them is easy. You think about them and feel joy. All these things just make the friendship so powerful. Now, why is it so easy to invest time and energy into this friendship? It's because you associate positive feelings with that friendship. In your body, you know that if you spend time with this person, it will feel good. And when you think about this person, you will smile. And a smile will come on your face, or maybe you will randomly just giggle or laugh at the thought of the funny thing that they said or the way that they make you feel. Now we can apply this directly to our art practice because the art practice is also a friend. It's a friendship that for many of us has become fraught with very difficult emotions, but it's still a friendship that we can lean into. And by the way, the art practice is the most loyal friend. It's the one friend that no matter what will not leave you. You can stop drawing for 10 years and come back to it, and that creative energy will still be there for you. So let's figure out how to develop a beautiful friendship with our art practice. The way that we can develop this beautiful relationship with our art practice, and this is something that I've been doing for like 8 years and it's worked tremendously well, is that a couple of minutes a day, I want you to think about your art practice in a positive light. Which means that whenever you're commuting or whenever you have space in your day, just imagine yourself drawing and then try to bring joy into your body. You remember what joy feels like. You remember what happiness feels like, which means that you can summon it. Just try it right now. If you've never done this before, it might shock you a little bit, but within a couple of minutes, you can actually bring happiness and joy into your body. If you just take a moment right now, just try it right now. Just try to feel joy. Just try to feel happiness. It might take a couple of minutes if you are in a stressful mood, but you can actually just conjure up the feeling of joy. So what we can do is we can reprogram our mind to associate these good feelings with drawing. And we can do this actively, but you don't have to do this for many minutes a day. You can do it for a couple of minutes here or there. So if there's like a commute that you take regularly, like if you drive to work, or if you are someone who walks to school, just set that as your time to think about it. Think about art in this beautiful way. Over time, you will brainwash yourself into drawing a lot more without even trying, because your body will associate positive feelings with drawing. So your body will just be pulled towards it. The same way that people get addicted to fast food or anything else. It's just your body feels good, so they will just pull you towards it. And that will make drawing so much easier. You will get addicted to it. And all of your art practice will become more and more beautiful the more you do this. So if you have 5 minutes a day to do this, then set aside the 5 minutes and just try to think of it. And the best thing about this is that you can do this anywhere. Obviously, if you have time to draw, spending time to draw is better. It's a better use of your time. But if you are at the grocery store or if you are waiting in line somewhere, just do this as a practice here and there throughout the day. And the more you do this, the more beautiful your art practice will become. Then whenever you are ready, I will see you over in my mindful drawing course where we learn how to do intuitive drawing, which is perfect for people who are perfectionists or people who struggle with art block, because we surrender to the muse and the muse will guide our art practice in a way that is much easier and much more fun. So if you are interested in developing more beautiful art practice, I will see you over there whenever you are ready, and I'll see you guys in the next lesson. Bye.